Hello everyone, and welcome to my video on how to learn English from TV shows. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips and tricks on how you can use TV shows to improve your English listening skills, vocabulary, and pronunciation. There are many benefits to learning English from TV shows, including exposure to natural English. You'll hear English spoken by native speakers in a variety of contexts. Learning English in context. You'll see how words and phrases are used in real-world situations. Improving your listening skills. You'll learn how to distinguish different sounds and accents. Learning about English culture. You'll learn about English culture and customs. Here are some tips on how to learn English from TV shows. Choose a show you enjoy. This will make it more likely that you'll stick with it. Start with subtitles. This will help you understand what's going on. Watch short episodes at first. Don't try to watch too much at once. Pay attention to new words and phrases. Write them down and review them later. Try to imitate the actor's pronunciation. This will help you improve your own pronunciation. Talk about the show with other people. This will help you improve your speaking skills. Here are some additional tips. Start with simple shows. If you're a beginner, choose shows with simple dialogue. Use a dictionary. Look up words you don't understand. Watch the show multiple times. This will help you understand it better. Don't give up. Learning English takes time and effort. Here are some examples of common phrases from TV shows, along with their explanations and when to use them. How you doing? This is a casual way of asking someone how they are. You can use it with friends, family, or people you know well. I'll be there for you. This means that you will be there to support someone no matter what. You can use it to reassure a friend or family member that you care about them. We were on a break. This is a famous line from the sitcom Friends. It means that a couple was temporarily separated when one of them said they needed a break from the relationship. What's up? This is a casual way of asking someone what they are doing or what's new. I'm good, thanks. This is a common way to respond to the question, how are you? See you later. This is a casual way of saying goodbye. Here is an example of a conversation that you might have using phrases from TV shows. Person 1. Hey, how you doing? Person 2. I'm good, thanks. How about you? Person 1. I'm doing great. I just finished watching the latest episode of Stranger Things. Person 2. Oh, really? What did you think? Person 1. I thought it was awesome. The ending was so suspenseful. Person 2. I know, right? I can't wait for the next season. Person 1. Me neither. That's what she said. It's Brittany Beach. I am Beyonce, always. How I Met Your Mother. Have you met Ted? Legendary. Suit Up. Modern Family. Jay Pritchett, closet homosexual. Mitchell, you're a drama queen. Phil Dunphy, the world's greatest dad. Parks and Recreation. I'm Leslie Knope, and I'm here to kick ass and take names. Treat yourself. Waffles, waffles, waffles. The Good Place. Holy motherforking shirt balls. I'm a basic bitch. Jason Mendoza is a beautiful human being. You got this. No problemo. Let's do this. Person 1. Hey, I'm so glad you could make it. I was worried you wouldn't be able to come. Person 2. Of course I would come. I wouldn't miss this for the world. Person 1. Thanks, that means a lot. So, what do you think of the party so far? Person 2. It's great. The food is delicious. The music is awesome, and everyone seems to be having a good time. Person 1. I'm so glad to hear that. I was really hoping everyone would enjoy themselves. Person 2. Well, they definitely are. This is the best party ever. Person 1. Thanks. I'm so happy you're here. Person 2. Me too. Learning English from TV shows is a great way to improve your vocabulary, pronunciation, and listening skills. Do you have a strong memory? Test yourself now. Write in the comments the first line that comes to mind when you hear the name of this TV show. So what are you waiting for? Start watching TV shows today. Don't forget subscribe and like and comment this answer.